Hi, my name is Carolyn Meineke, and this year I'm going to be your child's Algebra 1 teacher. We're going to be utilizing Google Classroom in our class, and on the screen you can see an example of what that is going to look like. So they're going to have classwork posted for them that's going to be assigned, as well as other materials and notes. So if they're ever missing class, make sure that they check our Google Classroom for any of that missing work. I also have my Bitmoji classroom, where you can find any important information that they may need for school and our class, like our counselors, our bell schedule, and my expectations and syllabus. So I'm going to click on that now. Here is what that looks like. So again, you can click around on that to find our counselors, our schedules for the day. Here is our Algebra 1 class. We're going to be using Desmos, Khan Academy, the Envision book. Then we can go on to our syllabus. You can pause the screen if you'd like to read more, but it just explains more about the platforms that we're going to use, the topics we'll cover, and the grading policy. If you look here, you can see my phone number and my email to contact me. I also have my expectations listed here. So staying connected, making sure they turn in their work, being respectful, being responsible, and putting forward your best effort. And finally, with COVID still among us, I have my COVID expectations as well. So you'll be able to access this in your child's Google Classroom. Again, it's right at the top of classwork, Miss Meineke's Bitmoji Classroom. If you need me, please feel free to contact me. Again, here are my emails, carolyn.meineke@new-haven.k12.ct.us. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to teaching your child this year and helping them succeed in our Algebra 1 class. Have a great